first step, try to using hair dryer or a hot air gun to make the glue softer and easier to open. If you're using hair dryer, make sure 5 minutes or more time. If you're using hot air gun, stop until the glue becomes softer. Second step, in here you are going to try to open the phone between the screen and the phone case. If the glue is still a bit hard, you can try to pull the tool between the crevice of phone case and screen to make the glue looser. In this step, you must be patient. I know it's hard to open it since you don't want to damage the motherboard in the phone, because that could make you cost lots to repair it. After you open the phone case, plug off the screen connector on the phone and plug your new screen connector into the phone. And then trying to turn on the phone before you are going to put the screen back, since you need to test if the new screen works or not. You don't want to open it second time. Trying to find some glue and put the glue in the corner of the phone. Make sure only a little each corner. You don't want glue slides everywhere after you put the screen back. You can also put some glue in the side of the phone to make the phone screen hold the case hardly. Replug the new phone screen on and test before glue it on. Sometimes the plug may not plug it in the right position, so test before you plug it on to avoid if the screen is not working. After you put the new screen on, if everything is working well, then your phone is good to go. But make sure push the screen a little bit harder to make sure your glue can actually hold the phone tightly. If you like it, click the like and subscribe button. More video will coming soon, and you can also check my old video if you want. And last, thanks for watching. See you then.